Yeah. So let's go to the next question, number 29. So we have to draw a line that passes through 4,10, and that is perpendicular to the line 6x minus 3x is equal to 5. So perpendicular means like this way, like 90 degree. Okay, these two lines will be 90 degree to each other. These two lines will be 90 degree to each other. So our point P is equal to 4,10, and the line is 6x minus 3y is equal to 5. So we have to again convert it to the general equation, y equal to mx plus b. So this is our general equation. Here the value of m is equal to 2 and y-intercept, or the value of b is equal to minus 5/3. Okay, and for m is equal to 2, if we want to draw a perpendicular line, suppose for this we have m is equal to 2. So for this we will get minus 1/2. Okay, minus 1/2. You can see here the rules. If m1 is equal to minus 1/m2, right? And m2 will be minus m/m1. This is the value of slope. Okay, we know if two non-vertical lines L1 and L2 are perpendicular, you can see here, this is, suppose this is L1 and this is L2, and they are perpendicular. So their slope m1 and m2, if they satisfy m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, so each slope is negative reciprocal of the other. Reciprocal means just we make it upside down. Okay, like if it is 2, its reciprocal is 1/2, right? And negative reciprocal will be minus 1/2. Okay, this is called reciprocal. So here m1 is equal to 2. So for m1 is equal to 2, our the reciprocal value of m will be minus half. Okay. Now the perpendicular line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. You remember the equation before? Like here. For a parallel line, this was y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So for a perpendicular line, this will be also same. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the value of y1, where the value of y1 is this is our y1. Okay, and this is our x1. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So where is our perpendicular line? This is for our answer. Our line will be this. The slope of our line will be this. Okay, not this one. Okay, not this one. Our the value, the new line. Okay, that we are going to draw. For that line, our slope will be minus 1/2, not 2. Okay. This is something tricky, or you guys might make some mistake here. So for our final line, or for our solution, our slope will be minus half. Our slope will be this one, m perpendicular. Okay, sorry, m reciprocal. The reciprocal m. Okay, this one. Do not ever take this one. So we get our equation y equal to minus 1/2x plus 12. Understood, everyone?
ওমর এই যে m1 এর এই মাইনাস হাফ, এটা একটু বাংলা একটু বুঝাও।
আচ্ছা, ব্যাপার হচ্ছে কি, আমাদের একটা লাইন দেওয়া আছে, একটা লাইন আঁকতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, বলছে কি যে একটা লাইন আর একটা লাইন, এই দুইটা লাইন অবশ্যই পারপেন্ডিকুলার হওয়া লাগবে, মানে হচ্ছে তারা 90 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেলে হওয়া লাগবে। ঠিক আছে, যদি 90 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেল হইতে হয়, তাহলে তাদের ইসের মান, তাদের স্লোপের মান বা ঢালের মান, এম এর মান, একটা যদি 2 হয় আর একটা হবে 2 এর উল্টাইলে কি আসে 1/2, তাই না? এই 1/2 এর
হ্যাঁ
মাইনাস,
হ্যাঁ
এই 1/2 এর একটা মাইনাস হবে, এটা হবে তাহলে m2 এর মান। যদি m1 এর মান 2 হয় তাহলে m2 এর মান হবে -1/2।
মাইনাস আসতেছে কেন?
এই যে সূত্র এখানে, এই যে m is equal to -1/m2 or m2 is equal to -1/m1, ঠিক আছে?
ওকে ওকে ওকে
এই জন্য আমাদের আসলে এই যে ঢাল, এই ঢালটা নিয়ে আমাদের ইকুয়েশন রাখতে হবে। মানে আমাদের যে ইকুয়েশনটা, আমাদের যে লাইনটা আঁকতে বলছে, যে লাইন, সেই লাইনের ঢাল হবে এটা, এবং ওই লাইনটা অবশ্যই এই লাইনের প্যারালাল হবে, মানে এই লাইনের সমান্তরাল হবে, ঠিক আছে? এজন্য আমরা যখন ইকুয়েশনটা করছি তখন আমরা এই যে m এর মান বা স্লোপের মান আমি এইটা নিছি, কারণ আমাদের এইটাই তো অ্যান্সার করতে বলছে, আর এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের দেওয়া আছে, এটা আমাদের দেওয়া আছে, m1 এর মানটা দেওয়া আছে, এটা আমরা নেব না, আমরা নেব এই মান, ঠিক আছে? এই দেখছো, এই যে m রিসিপ্রোকাল m এর মান আমরা নিছি, ঠিক আছে? রিসিপ্রোকাল m
ওকে
এর
ওকে
মান। ওকে,
নেক্সটে যাই।
let's move forward to number 30. We have to draw a line that is going to pass through 0,1 and it is perpendicular to the line 8x minus 13y is equal to 13. So we have to convert this equation to y equal to mx plus b. So here m1 is equal to 8/13. For m1 is equal to 8/13, so m reciprocal will be what? So the slope of our perpendicular line, okay? So for m, l is equal to 8/13. So the slope of that of a perpendicular line, of a line that is perpendicular to this line, okay? The slope will be -13/8. Why? We have to reciprocal this this number. The reciprocal value of 8/13 is equal to 13/8, and we have to put a minus before 13, before this, okay? So the value of m, এটা কি বলে ভাই? The value of the slope,
এই এমনই বললো।
m, now the value of the slope of that particular line that is so of that perpendicular line that is perpendicular with this line, okay? So that that slope will be -13/8. So now
m1 কেন বের করলাম আমার?
এই যে m, এই পরের m, the second m, okay? This is our first m and this is our second m. So I don't know how to pronounce this m. So I don't know how to pronounce this. So for our first m, so if we get the first m, then we can calculate the second m, okay? Suppose this is m1 and this is
But
m2.
why?
To find our equation, okay? To find our equation, you see here the value of m is -13/8, and this is our y intercept.
But first of all, we have we got an
Y intercept was what, right here?
malware. তারপরে আপডেট করব।
তবে বাংলায় বলো।
না প্রথমে তো একটা আমি তো m এর মান বের করছি প্রথমে,
হ্যাঁ।
তাহলে আবার m1 এর মান বের করতে হবে কেন?
m এর মানটা আসলে আমাদের, এই যে আমি বললাম না এইরকম দুইটা লাইন, তো এই m এর মানটা আসলে এই লাইনের জন্য, ঠিক আছে? তো আমাকে এই লাইনটা আমার দেওয়া আছে, এই লাইনটা আমার দেওয়া আছে। This line is given already, okay? We have to find this line. We have to find the equation of this line. So the equation of this line, for the equation of this line, the value of m will be this way, okay? This sign. And for this line, the value of m will be this, okay? ml. So আমাদের আগে ml এর মান বের করতে হবে। We have to find the value of ml first, and then we can find the value of this, okay? The second m. So if the value of ml is equal to 8/13, the value of second m will be 13/8, okay? 13 by 8, and before 13 by 8 we have to put a minus, because here is the rule, because m1 is equal to minus 1 by m2 and m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. Okay, for this rule we just calculate our these two value. Okay,
Okay.
now we put all these value here in our equation. So this will be y is equal to minus 13 by 8 x plus 1. So this plus 1, how do you get it? This is the value of y-intercept or the value of b. So the value of b is here. Okay, here. So do not take this by mistake. Do not take this minus 1 by mistake, because this minus 1 is for what? This minus 1 is for this line. Okay, but we have to find the equation for this line. So do not ever take this. You guys might make a mistake. Okay, this is our value of b. Okay, or y-intercept. So should we draw the line in the graph? So here is our y-intercept plus 1, and the value, if we put a value like we can put the value of x equal to 8. So if we put the value of x equal to 8, then 8 and 8 will get cancelled, and we get minus 13 plus 1. This will be minus 12. So for the value of x equal to 8, we get the value of y is equal to minus 12. So this point will be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No. Minus 12 na, বাম দিকে যাবে, left side.
No, firstly we have to count the value of x, then we have to count the value of y.
Sorry.
Okay. So this is the value of x, and minus 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 11, 12. On the next page, right? Somewhere around here. So we have to connect these 2 points from this point to this point. Okay, this is our line. Okay,
Nicely done.
we need a big graph paper for this, maybe.
It wouldn't be possible if it weren't for a PDF.
Okay, so let's move forward. Well, maybe we can skip this too, but I can discuss a little.
We've got it. No more. Now we should close the meeting.
Okay, Grace, do you want to discuss this number 41 and 42?
I think no.
Okay, so let's skip this and we will discuss it later on. So
Okay.
thank you so much for joining, and maybe my English was some like not so good. So let me get used to it. Okay.
It's not a matter. You are so nice of you, Amor.
Okay. After going to China, maybe we will get a lot of international friends, and our vocabulary and all those accent will also get improved. Okay. So do not mind. Yeah. So
after going to China, we will discuss together.
Yes, of course.
We'll discuss together.
But we have to say,
maybe now we can talk about our Chinese class, right? Our comprehensive Chinese.
Grace is very good at it.
A little bit.
Grace is very good
Here is the homework.
I think comprehensive Chinese, we should to make a video, right?
In another video.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Go on.
So let's go on. Yeah. So we got some. I got some note here. I did it while I was taking the class. So let's practice a little bit.
Hey, what about the homework? Homework.
For comprehensive.
What about the homework? We have to make a rap.
We have no homework maybe for comprehensive.
Yes. We have. You are group 1, right?
I was in group D in our class.
You are on group 1, right?
Sorry, group 1. I don't understand.
Homework for Chinese panorama.
Oh, আচ্ছা ওইটা panorama আমি গ্রুপ ডি তে ভাই।
Yes. এটা আমাদের সাথে ওই ম্যাম যে হোমওয়ার্ক দিছে দেখছো?
ও আচ্ছা, আমি আসলে আমার উইচার চেক করা হয় না, আমি আবার দেখবানি কোথায় কি। আমরা আগে এটা করি, হ্যাঁ, তারপর
সমস্যা নাই, ইস পারো বলো। ওকে।
So we have three maybe we have 3 grammar or something like that. Or we have 3 points. One is initials, and another one is finals, and another one is tone. Okay. So for this line, we tell it bo, po, mo, right? We have a on the end, right? A, bo, po. Okay. So we have to pronounce it with our lips. And the to বাংলা দেখতেছেন ভাই থুও ঠিক আছে এটা উচ্চারণ এরকম থুও থুও so we have to pronounce it with our lip with our teeth. Okay,
I think the second one with with
thuo. Yeah,
H.
thuo. Yeah, thuo.
Yeah.
Told you Grace is very good
And
at
for
it.
this no, lo, okay, and this is go, ko, ko, and this also with teeth. Okay, we have to pronounce it with our teeth. So আমি এখানে বাংলা লিখছি I have written here some Bangla
Sorry.
pronunciation so that
Sorry,
our
brother,
Bengali friends can
but-
remember it. Okay,
রাজীব
আসলে-
কিন্তু সেই ছিল গতকাল।
হ্যাঁ 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 রাজীব ভাই খুব ভালো প্র্যাকটিস করছে আই থিঙ্ক আসলে একটু কম বলা ছিল তো বারবার বলতে হয় কি যে ম্যাডামের কথা আসলে আসে না ঠিক আছে সো ফর final point we get something like this this is o, this is a e, u, and this is e.
I think that it's not
Oh, this is o, right?
yeah.
O, right? O.
It's like a
this is-
parallel কি বলে paralyzed patient.
This it will be something like what? Oh, I don't know how to pronounce. Oh,
Grace,
uh,
speak it.
O. তারপর E, U, 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 U.
তুমি
Like that.
গ্রেসের থেকে একটু শুনে নাও বুঝছো ও কিন্তু উচ্চারণগুলো ভালো করে ওর থেকে একটু শুনে নাও ওরে আস করো
I, তারপর A, ow, O, তারপরে an, ang, ing, wa, wo, why, way, something like this, right? Maybe we have to listen to Chinese and then we have to talk. Or like this is something complex to pronounce. So we have to listen to Chinese and we have to repeat after them. And then we have tones. We have 4 tones like this is flat, this is upward, this is downward and then upward, and this is only downward, right? Something like this. So
Maybe the third tones will be like
yeah, right. Yes, you do it better. I'm not perfect in this kind of pronunciation.
yeah, that's okay.
So you can continue to hear like this. We pronounce P like pa, puo, P, and pu, right? The air will come out like a shock, like a the air will come out like suddenly come out. Okay, po, pa, and this is ba, buo, bi, bu, biza, baba, papa, pizu, piju.
I think there's
Piju.
Pijo.
Oh, Piju. Gio.
Pijo.
Piju. Yeah, Piju.
Yeah.
Great.
Piju.
Did you learn Chinese before?
Piju.
Sorry, Alamin?
Did you learn Chinese before? Like your pronunciation is very good.
I have
Yeah.
learned Chinese in my high school.
Wow.
Oh,
We
that's
also learned
right.
and
There is
So
a
you are
course,
selected for
pattern
a
course.
Chinese. Okay, you are selected for our Chinese class. So from now on, you'll take our Chinese classes, like group
Yeah.
study.
Yeah, you can be our guide
Okay.
for Chinese pronunciation, Grace. So yeah.
I'm not really good at that,
Okay,
actually.
so could you please
You are
explain
the
this to?
best among of us.
Could you please explain this to? Ma. Ma. Okay.
Ma.
We will repeat after you. Okay. You firstly repeat, pronounce this, and we will repeat after you.
All right. That is ma.
Ma.
Mo.
I mean, you are also you can
Mo.
also do it with me. Mo.
No, bhai, I'm parbo na. I'm bus. I'm on the bus.
Okay, just Omar, repeat after me. Ma.
Ma.
Mo.
Mo.
Me.
Ma.
Mi.
Ni.
Mu.
Mu.
Fa.
Fa.
Fo.
Fo.
Fu.
Fu. Am I right?
Okay,
Is my pronunciation okay?
Okay. That's good.
So if we listen to the pronunciation and then we talk, this way we can pronounce. But if we just read this, we do not get the point, right? It becomes complex. So let's move forward. That's why I told that we have to listen to Chinese, then we talk, or we have to listen to
right.
and then we have to talk. Okay, let's move on to this.
Okay. That is ta.
Ta. This is da or ta. This is da maybe da, or
Between D and T, I think, like
da
ta.
and ta. Da and ta, right?
Yeah, like
okay.
It's not actually D, but it's not actually
It
T,
is somewhere
so,
near around D, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the between D and T, right? Somewhere around there. So the.
Okay. Yeah, right.
The.
Yeah.
The.
T. Yeah.
T. It's
Du.
T হবে.
Okay, and the second one is ta.
Ta.
Th.
To.
T. Tu.
Tu.
Yeah, right.
This one.
Oh, that is do. Like upwards.
Like upward. Okay.
Yeah.
Like a plane is going take offing, right?
Sorry?
Like a plane that is going to take off. Do.
Yeah. Right.
A sound that is
And
come
the
far
second-
from that is a sound that is come from far to near, right? Do.
Yeah, but shorter.
Okay. Do. You move forward. You move on.
Okay. Di tu. Yeah, but in the T there is H, so di tu. Yeah.
Okay. So
that's right.
This column. This.
Okay. That's na.
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 No.
Ni.
Ni.
Nu.
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 Near.
That is complicated.
Near.
Yeah.
Near.
Right. Sounds great.
So এটা বাংলা আসলে দন্ত নয় শিখায়নি রসু near.
Near.
We have our alphabet for this near. In Bangla, so we can pronounce this near. But our brother Rajiv, he made it complex. Like it's okay.
Yes. Awesome.
I just shared this PDF, my note, so that they can understand the spelling. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move forward.
Okay.
L row, right? L row.
Yeah. La. Le. Li. Lu. Lu. Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on here.
Kinda.
Okay. Ka,
Ka,
ke,
Ga,
ku,
Gu,
ka,
Ka,
ke,
Ka,
ku.
Ku. Okay, this is
Okay, and ku,
Ku.
like flat. Yeah.
Okay, let's move forward.
Right.
Here.
ওমা জিটারে হচ্ছে ক বানাও, জিটা হচ্ছে ক, গ না,
জি ভাই,
ক।
জিটা হচ্ছে গিয়া
জি আছে না, জি,
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ
জি,
এটা হচ্ছে ক, ক, বাংলার ক, এটা হচ্ছে ক, হ্যাঁ।
ক না ক,
হ্যাঁ, ক না, ক না, ক, ক, কলমের ক।
ও ক, ঠিক আছে, ওকে ফাইন, ঠিক আছে, ওকে। কা,
Yes, yes.
কা, কা, আচ্ছা কা, কা আর খা, ওকে ফাইন। That is gonna be not ga but ka. Okay.
Yeah.
Somewhere between go and ko, something like Z and K. Okay, so Grace, you can read this.
Okay. Ha,
Ha,
he.
ho.
Okay, that's
What
it.
is-
And he,
Ho.
like flat.
Okay. Ho.
Yeah.
This will in, right? Right this way. Ho.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this column, now this one.
Hey,
You can
sorry
just-
guys, I'm leaving. I'm going
You
to
can just,
hospital.
you can just talk about these two, okay? I skipped this because I didn't have much
Omar,
time to
see you
write all
brother.
this.
Thank you a lot.
Okay.
You can leave, yeah.
Omar.
Bye.
Alami, no
Omar.
problem. Yeah, Alami, I can. Alami, সুন্দর
Okay,
করে।
brother. Thank you. Thank you.
চলে যাচ্ছ তাই না?
Okay.
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে,
Allah.
আবার দেখা হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ।
Yes, yes. Bye bye.
আচ্ছা। So we have buy, right? Buy and bay.
Bye. Bye.
Buy.
I think B can be pronounced as B, like bye.
Buy.
The difference between B and P is just, and the P there is H, like pie and pie, like that.
Oh, buy and pie.
Yeah, but not B, but P. Also P, but there is no
Okay.
H.
Somewhere between B and P, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So pie. Pie.
Yeah.
Pie.
Yeah. Right.
Pie.
And the second is pay.
Bay. Robey.
Pay.
There was a Chinese actor called Yang Yang. Do you know him? Yang Yang. So
I don't know.
I saw a Chinese drama that is called Tornado Girl, and he was called Robey. His name was Robey Yang Yang. Okay. He was called Robey in
What's
that-
drama?
It was Tornado Girl.
Okay.
Tornado Girl. Chibe Chao, Fang Ting Hao, Ting Hao Qianbei. So
Okay.
I got some pronunciation I learned some pronunciation from that drama. So I think once I
that's good.
pronounce how that is called pronunciation.
I also
right?
learned
Once I
Chinese
pronounce
pronunciation
Chinese
from the drama.
like a full sentence. This will be easier for me to master, I think. So we can move forward
Okay.
to Mao and How.
Go on. Okay, there it is. Mao.
Mao,
Yeah, and how.
how,
Go.
Like we
Yeah,
go
yeah.
from up to down, then up, right? Go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How,
Go. Yeah, right.
that is Mao.
Yeah.
Like simple Mao.
Mao. Yeah, that's flat.
So this Tao and Lo.
I'm confused about that because there's no tone.
Oh no, there is no sound. So I think this will be Tao and Lo,
Okay.
and this will be Ban.
Lo,
Because
oh.
I just written it in Bangla. Okay, so Ban, Khan, Gan, Nikan. You look
Good.
Nikan, Nikan.
Yeah.
You look.
Yeah, I see.
So this is my homework, nothing else. I just took this
Yeah,
homework
yeah.
so that we can understand it a bit in a better way, and for the help for our Bangladeshi students. So I
Mm.
can stop the recording and